Who made millions of dollars from the attack on Israel? Look at this chart. It shows bets against Israeli stocks on the New York stock market. This big rise in shorts, as the bets are called, happened a few days before the attack on Israel on October 7th. Someone may have been betting that something was about to push down the value of Israeli stocks. And in just 2 trades, they could have made $1 million. The timing could suggest knowledge of the forthcoming attack. Is it possible that someone in Hamas was behind it? To figure out what happened, consider trades made in a fund of Israeli shares on the New York Stock Exchange. In September, around 1,600 shares were shorted per day in this fund. But on October 2nd, it was around 227,000, mainly from just 2 trades. That's pretty unusual, especially as one of the only other times it's happened was just before Passover, which according to an Israeli TV station was the date originally planned for the October attack. So could it be that Hamas was behind these trades? Its financial empire brings in over $1 billion a year, so it seems unlikely it would take such a big risk for such a small sum.
We are talking potential profits in the single-digit millions. By the scale of Hamas, the finances of Hamas, that is a drop in the bucket. It is unfathomable that Hamas would risk detection of their attack to make $1 million on the New York Stock Exchange.
So what's going on? Perhaps it was all entirely innocent.
Somebody may simply have been seeking to close a big position on the first trading day of a quarter because both the trading on this day and the trading in April right before Passover happened to fall on the first day of a quarter. But it is certainly not the most likely explanation given the timing.
Or perhaps details of the attacks were leaked.
Hamas kept sufficiently tight operational security to fool the Israelis and foreign intelligence services as well. But it is certainly possible that some tidbit of information leaked out to someone who was able to profit from it.
It could be that this was just the tip of the iceberg.
One possibility is that someone made a lot more money off this and we can't measure it. Maybe they made a bigger bet against Israeli assets in some other market that was not trackable in public data.
Explaining every move in financial markets is hard. But it is at least plausible that whoever made the trades had some knowledge of what was to come.